actually, the idea is not to have random thoughts before you go to sleep. Anybody who's dealing with this shit should always, once they get into bed, have a fucking mission every night. Ask a question every night. Instead of fucking emailing me about Bobby, ask a fucking question in your spirit, see what it say. Or, you know what I'm saying? Or instead of just trying to look for YouTube videos, ask your spirit. Start challenging yourself to come up with fucking answers, even if you don't feel you can get them. Because fake it until you make it. That's what that means. It doesn't mean fake it until something happens. It means the more you fake it, the more you are going to make it. They told you that before. They told you that in the movie The Matrix. Your mind makes it real. So if you keep saying, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, it's going to make it real.
That's interesting.
Don't get it confused. If you keep calling yourself Bata, you're going to become Bata. You're still going to have to do some work. You became Bata idea,